Before a helicopter ever leaves the ground, it must survive this moment.
The tensile strength on this batch looks good. Confirmed. Let's move to the composites next.
Every component is engineered to withstand vibration, torque, and extreme flight conditions. Every rotor system is refined, balanced, and tested to ensure stability in vertical flight.
Every helicopter is tested to meet the highest safety and performance standards.
Keep it steady on the left.
Copy that. Watching the tail rotor.
And that's how a helicopter is made, from steel frames to vertical flight.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and engineering documentaries.